this is how you're going to hide sections in Elementor. Sometimes you want a section to show up on a computer but stay hidden on a mobile phone. Elementor makes this easy with responsive settings. So first, you're going to head over to your Elementor website editor, and then from the left side panel, let me just click on any of the section that you want to edit. So you're just going to choose which section you want to hide. So for me, I'm going to select this image right here, and then make sure this whole section is selected and not just the image. Now from the left sidebar, you're going to go to the advanced tab right here, and then from here you're going to scroll down to the responsive section. So we're just going to scroll down right here. And then once you see this responsive section right here, this is like a drop down, you're going to click on that. And then from here, you will see 3 switches, which says hide on desktop, hide on tablet, and then hide on mobile portrait. Now, simply turn the switch on for whichever device you want to hide this section from. So for example, I want to hide this from the mobile portrait. I'm going to select that. And then when you click on mobile, it should be applied. So as you can see, it is in black and white, which means it won't be seen once you view it from the mobile. And that's it. When you're editing, the section will look grayed out, but for your visitors, it will disappear completely on those specific devices. And that's how you're going to hide sections in Elementor. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.